The Gambella regional state is accessible from Addis Ababa by commercial flights, twice daily 1 hours, that land in Gambella. It is also accessible by road, 2 days. Travel of more than 714 km. There are bus companies that go to Gambella region every day at a reasonable fare. Population, based on the 2007 census, conducted by the Central Statistical Agency of Ethiopia, the regional state has a total population of 307,096, of whom 159,787 are men, and 147,309 women. A general population census, which was to be conducted in April 2019, has been postponed until further notice. Ethnic groups. The ethnic composition includes Nuer 64, 66, Anuak 29.6%, Meshanger 5, Kaficho 6.04%, Shakacho 2, 27, Amhara 8.42%, Oromo 4, E3, Kambata 1.44%, Tigray 1.32%, and other ethnic groups predominantly from southern Ethiopia 4.86%.